Fairbanks Scales. Since 1830, Fairbanks has been providing world-class products and service. Fairbanks Scales calibration and inspection service is what Fairbanks customers depend on to keep their scales accurate, dependable, minimize loss, and maximize uptime. With a Fairbanks Assurance Plus program, you, the customer, can customize your service based on your needs and requirements. With over 300 factory-trained field service personnel, Fairbanks Scales is the largest factory direct heavy-capacity service company in America, strategically positioned to serve our customers from the Atlantic to the Pacific. Before all Fairbanks technicians hit the road, they perform all mandated DOT vehicle inspections and logbooks. Safety is paramount at Fairbanks Scales. Once the Fairbanks technician reaches the customer site, he then notifies the customer, blocks off the scale to keep trucks from entering during the critical testing. Remember, Fairbanks works to improve uptime, so we always work with our customers' traffic schedule. The next step to a Fairbanks Scales inspection is to inspect all critical components. Depending on the scale, the Fairbanks technician checks for mud and debris buildup underneath the scale. Mud and debris is the #1 culprit for inaccurate weights. The Fairbanks technician also checks structural steel and concrete. Approach pads must always be flat, square, and level to conform to the Little Blue Book of weighing regulations. Fairbanks Scales operates with over 3 million pounds of certified test weights nationwide. The technician first offloads all his weights onto a specialized power weight cart. This cart is also certified by the local Weights and Measures Department and is traceable to a national standard. Next, the technician checks each section of the motor truck scale. A section is an area of weighbridge which bears on 2 supporting points and is identified for calibration or capacity rating purposes. For a rectangular weighbridge, each section consists of 2 support points located across the narrower platform dimension from each other, and is identified as section 1, 2, 3, and so on, down the length of the scale from the left to the right as viewed from the indicator position. Once the section testing of the motor truck scale has been completed and calibrated to the state weights and measures requirements, the technician can now run an optional strain test. A strain test consists of the weight of the test truck combined with the loaded weight of the test cart. The Fairbanks calibration and inspection is now complete. The technician loads his vehicle and reopens the scale for traffic. Once the technician has moved off the scale and the scale has reopened, he completes all the necessary paperwork showing the results of the inspection. This detailed report shows both the condition of the scale as found and as left. Test equipment is identified in this report showing traceability and which weights were used for this test. The Fairbanks technician's paperwork is electronic and can be emailed, printed, or faxed upon completion of the inspection. Fairbanks Scales, America's #1 choice when it comes to accuracy, calibrating everything from laboratory balances to railroad track scales. We truly are America's heavyweight champions. For more information on Fairbanks service, contact us at www.fairbanks.com.